you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this look using some of the products from the Gigi and Maybelline collection. This is the new collection that just came in, and in this we have the liquid illuminators, the liquid primer, we have eyeshadow palettes. So this is like quite a lot of stuff. Let me show you how the packaging looks. I also used some of the products from the previous collection, which had the mascara and the eyeliner and everything. So if you want to know how to get this look and if you want to hear my mini review on the collection, then please continue watching. So first we have primers, which I'm going to test out for you guys. We have light to medium and medium to deep. I'm just going to put this at the back of my hand to show you the difference. So that is light to medium and this is medium to deep. Now let me explain to you what the product is, because this is quite a confusing product. For someone who does not know much about makeup, will not understand what this product does. So this is not your typical primer. You do not sort of cover your pores with it. It's not one of those primers that also help your makeup last long, etc. This is a tinted primer. The name is a little bit confusing, but this product is used to contour your face before applying foundation. So this is one of those techniques used by a lot of celebrities and celebrity makeup artists. So since Gigi is known for a very natural face, very natural contour, really simple makeup, that's what she's known for. That's why I think she created this product. So I'm going to show you how to use this. You get light to medium, medium to deep. I think I'm going to take medium to deep. I saw Tati's review on this. I was a little bit confused about this product, and so was she. When she understood the product and explained it to us, I sort of got an idea of what the product does. So I'm going to take a medium to deep at the back of my hand. And I'm taking my pack brush. This is the Face S1 brush. I just got this. This is in their new brush collection. I have not put anything on my face. You're going to put this on bare skin, okay? So right on your contour areas. So you know, this gives a really natural contour. Like you can see, it is so natural. It doesn't look very harsh on the skin, and when you apply foundation, automatically this contour gets concealed on top of the foundation, but it still looks really beautiful. You can still see a very natural hint of contour. All you need is a very little amount. Honestly, this is really pigmented and it's a beautiful product. It blends so easily into the skin. Wow, I love that. I love that. So I'm going to put some foundation on. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Golden Beige, and I'm taking the Milani Concealer in Perfect in Warm Beige. I'm going to mix the two and apply that on my face.
I know I'm too close to your screen right now, but we're at the stage in our relationship where we're pretty shameless, you know, like you can see my pores, you can see everything, because we have that relationship, you know, the relationship is kind of personal, and I really don't mind you seeing my skin up close, because that's who we are, okay?
Okay, now you can see the tinted primer underneath my foundation, and it really gives a light, natural contour. You know, that's what she was going for with this product, and I can understand why the name would be confusing. Everyone would think it's a primer, but I'm glad I could tell you guys that it is not your standard primer. In fact, it's a very unique product. Wow, it's something I really like also, you know. Now can you see my face, and can you see where Gigi was going with this product? You can see a natural contour underneath my foundation, which is what she was going for. It's a very beautiful finish. I'm loving the way it's looking. I'm quickly going to put on some concealer, set my face, and I will be right back. Then we have the liquid illuminators. This is the liquid strobe. One is iridescent and the other one is gold. So we have a lighter shade and a darker shade. Obviously, I'm going to swatch both of them for you.
That's what I do.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is take it at the back of my hand. That's a lot. Okay. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge to sort of blend it out, and I'm going to apply it to the high points of my face. Let's go. Okay, so before I begin, I did not put any powder on this part of my face. I just powdered the center portion because we are playing with liquid products here. Okay, so let's go, honey bunny. Let's see what this beautiful... Wow, that is so pretty.
It's so pretty, so pretty. so pretty.
That is really, really iridescent, just like it says on the packaging. This is really, really natural, guys. It's one of those highlighter. It has a pink shift to it, so you know it's gonna look pink as you turn your head, which is really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply that on my right side, because honey, we ain't done. We ain't stopping at one, okay? I think I'm gonna put a little bit more because
that's who I am, okay? I admit it. My name is Malvika and I'm obsessed with highlighters, okay? You better accept me and love me for the way I am, because I ain't stopping for nobody.
So this is one of those really, really natural highlights where it's only visible when you're really up close, you know, and when you're outside in the daylight. It does give a very natural finish, and it does have that pink shift. I don't know if it's coming through the camera, but it does have a really, really beautiful pink shift to it. And I really am enjoying this highlighter because it's not in your face sort of a liquid highlighter. Sometimes that gets really intimidating for people and they stay away from liquid highlighters. I do. I only put powder, but something like this can be really natural on the skin. And you know, you can sort of wear this as an everyday highlighter. You can mix it in with your foundation and it'll appear very luminous on the skin. So that's something I like about it. Okay, so the packaging is really, really stunning. We have the contour eyeshadow kits here. This is the eye contour palette in Cool. So I'm gonna show you all the shades one after the other. Cue music. Then we have two eyeshadow palettes. These are really, really perfect for travel size, and the quality of these eyeshadows are beautiful. I swatched them, they're just stunning. We have the Pacific Coast Highway and the East Valley. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to use the Dreamer Warm Eyeshadow Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the East Valley palette because I'm just loving the color scheme here. Can you see that shade? Oh my god, I want to put all those shimmers on my eyes. So let's quickly begin. Can I just say that this eyeshadow blends like a dream. It literally melts. I don't know, the formula is beautiful. I'm enjoying every bit of it. I think I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. I think it's best applied with your finger, but I'm just gonna try the brush, a dry brush. Yeah, no, I think finger. I just wet my brush. Now we're talking. Okay, if you want the pigment to really come out, you gotta wet your brush a little bit. First impressions, I highly recommend using a wet brush. You can spritz it with Fix Plus, or you can spritz it with any sort of water, eye drops, anything, just to wet the brush, and it truly gets out the pigment from the glitter. So it's the best way to use any sort of a glitter shadow. So now we're going to move on to our next eyeshadow, which is this one right here. It's a beautiful white champagne color. For mascara, I'm taking the Gigi Hadid mascara. Obviously, this is their fiber mascara. This mascara is something, guys. Can you see that? It's beautiful. I love how it lengthens your lash. I'm just gonna put some kajal in my waterline. This is the gel eyeliner in black. That is all we have. I'm just gonna finish my face makeup. I'm just gonna throw on some contour and blush, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm loving the look so far. I'm gonna go in with a red lip today. I'm just gonna line my lip really quickly, and then we're gonna use the lipstick Austin, which is one of my favorite reds from this collection. So that is it, guys. That's all I have for you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And my final thoughts in the collection are, I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. I love the mascara. I love the idea of the liquid primer. It's given me such a natural contour, and I think it looks beautiful for like an everyday sort of a contour. And overall, the collection is amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. I'm going to leave all the links down below so you can buy your favorite product. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.